Have you ever thought about using a credit card to buy a car? Sounds interesting, right? Let's start with the basics. A credit card for car buying allows you to use your credit card to pay for your vehicle. This can be a new car from a dealership or even a used car from a private seller. Many people don't know that this option exists. It can be a great way to manage your finances while still getting the car you want. You might wonder, why should I use a credit card to buy a car? Well, there are a few reasons. First, using a credit card can help you earn rewards or cash back. Many credit cards offer points for every dollar spent. If you buy a car costing tens of thousands of dollars, those points can add up quickly. Second, using a credit card can give you more flexibility. If you have a credit limit that covers the cost of the car, you can make the purchase without taking out a loan. This can be very helpful if you want to avoid interest rates that come with traditional loans. Now, let's talk about how to actually use your credit card for buying a car. The first step is to check your credit card limit. Make sure it is high enough to cover the cost of the car. If you find that your limit is too low, you can always ask your bank for an increase. Next, you should look for dealerships that accept credit card payments. Not every dealer will take a credit card for the full amount. Some may only allow a portion of the payment to be charged. Keep this in mind when you are shopping around. Once you find a dealer that accepts credit cards, it's time to negotiate. Just like any car purchase, you want to get the best deal possible. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or better terms. Using a credit card for a car purchase can be great, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, be aware of the interest rates. If you cannot pay off your balance quickly, you may end up paying more in interest than you saved with rewards. Another thing to think about is your credit score. Using a large amount of your credit can affect your score. If you plan to finance other things in the near future, like a home, make sure this won't hurt your chances. If using a credit card doesn't seem right for you, there are other options. Many people prefer traditional loans from banks or credit unions. This can sometimes offer lower interest rates compared to credit cards. You can also look into personal loans or even lease options. So, is using a credit card to buy a car a good idea? It can be, but it really depends on your financial situation. Always weigh the pros and cons. If you feel good about it, it might be a useful tool in your car buying journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever used a credit card to buy a car? We would love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.